Hi, I'm Gene Corbett from Total Driver. This year we're working with your school to help deliver better outcomes with you as licensed drivers when you get out onto the road. Why? There's a big problem out there. You're overrepresented in the accident statistics. You're only 12% of the driving population but account for 23% of all the fatalities. It gets even worse than that. This is just one state. This is New South Wales. Multiply it by all the states in Australia. We're killing a kid a day on our roads. And for every one that's admitted to hospital, there's another 35 fatal related accidents. 80% of the people in young care are there under 25 and they're there through road trauma. Quite simply, there has to be a better way. The problem is not what you think you know, it's everything that you're not being told. Project this diagram up onto the wall. Point at it with your left index finger. Close your left eye, open it, close your right eye, you'll find it moves. Our eyes tell us lies. In addition to our eyes telling us lies, our brains pick and choose what they think we should see based on what it expects to be there. So why are we different? We create a three-way partnership between you, your parents and us as the trainers. We give you reports of lesson performance so you can see what you need to practice, how you need to practice and how much you need to practice. We give you and your parents post-lesson support material, ebooks, DVDs and visuals for the visual reinforcement, so we're leading you through a training process that delivers far greater outcomes. Here's what we aim to achieve. This year we're working with Griffith University, a 3-year research project between control and non-control students. We aim to show a 50% reduction in the post-licence accident and fatality rate, a massive change in our driving culture and our driving community. As part of doing this, we're offering your schools 3 free education programs, SAFE, Green Light and SLAM. And the whole idea is it gives us a chance to talk to you about all the things that affect your decision making as drivers. No one hops into a car with the intention on having an accident. We've got parent training nights coming up at your school where your parents can be introduced to who we are and how we do it and how we're going to help you. We'd like you to be part of these. Contact your school, contact us, check out our Facebook page, Total Driver Australia, and look forward to attending one of our events. We'll see you soon.